from Bangkok, guys. Absolutely coming from Bangkok, guys. Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, latest update. The bull run has just started. So we're going to be talking about that and much, much more out there. And I'm going to be showing you some evidence out there that the bull run has started. More indications that, we're going to see higher levels. We're going to see things going uppity, up like crazy out there. So we're going to be talking about that. We're going to jump into the content, guys and gals. Don't forget, none of this is financial advice. It's just OG in-house expressing my opinion. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. Please go back and watch all the other videos. I would freaking appreciate it, guys. So guys, let's jump into the content. Let's get it. Let's do it. Guys, if you need money and you need financial freedom, this is the video to watch to the end. This is a live stream coming to you live from Bangkok, guys. So how's the audio out there? How is the audio out there, guys? Tell me out there. How is the camera? Can you guys see me? What is going on? Welcome to the live stream. Good morning, good evening, howdy. It's a great time to be live, guys. So what is going on? Let's take a look at what's going on with the pre-markets out there. So right now we're seeing that much of the pre-markets for the U.S. are looking very, very good. So far, the pre-markets are looking green. The Dow is green, the S&P is green, and the NASDAQ futures are green. So not too shabby. And guys, if you are watching for the first time, don't forget to go down there and smash the likes. Do it. And remember, we got to feed the algorithm, and the only way we can do that is you've got to come across like a human being. And the only way you can do that is smash the likes. Comment and subscribe. So we're seeing the pre-markets are looking pretty good. So hopefully we will see the markets take off, and hopefully that will take crypto up, because crypto's just been kind of in this kind of kangaroo range funk right now, and we're seeing that crypto has just been going sideways. It's been going really sideways right now, and a lot of that has to do with people are kind of just waiting to see what's going to be happening, what's going on. So that is pretty good news out there. Also too, there's some news. It looks like Twitter source code was leaked online, and it looks like Elon Musk on March 24th sent a subpoena to somebody on GitHub for leaking their source code. So that's interesting. That is interesting. That looks like Elon Musk is putting a squeeze on someone who's been leaking information out there. Welcome Frank. Welcome Darren. Welcome Aviation Chris. It is a great time to be alive out there. We're seeing a lot of our regulars are in the stream. Much appreciated. Much love out there. This is a Sunday evening drive time if you're in the US. And right now, in case you're wondering, it's live. It's 9:48 a.m. Monday morning here in Bangkok. So that is pretty good. Let's take a look at what's going on with the heat map right now. So overall, the heat map is looking pretty good. We did see that Bitcoin was over 28,000, has come down a little bit. We're seeing that Ethereum is at 1745, and it's up, guys. So, we're not making huge gains. We're not like powering up to the moon. But Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, latest news, the latest update, the bull run has started. I'm going to be showing you more and more evidence of that out there. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin returns right now. Bitcoin returns, if we take a look at the quarterly returns right now, we're still seeing that Bitcoin is up 68%. So that is pretty lovely jubbly out there. So, what are you guys worrying about? What are you worrying about? Things are looking pretty good. And if you take a look what's happening on the monthly right now, we're still up 20%. So, what are you guys worrying about? What are you worrying about? Travis, howdy out there. Welcome, guys. Don't forget to smash Dogecoin 111. If you guys love the Doge, like I love the Doge, don't forget to smash 111, guys. Do it right now, and show some support, show some love out there. Because remember, Dogecoin needs you, I need you, and the Dogecoin army needs you. Smash the freaking likes, guys. So what are we seeing? Frank Sabala in the house. Love your content. I love you too, Frank. Thank you very much. Thank you. Much love, guys. Thank you, Frank. You're the man. You're now the king of the stream, brother. I appreciate you. I appreciate you so much. So right now we're seeing that the May 3rd target for the rate hikes is 89.6% are saying no rate hikes out there. And that's what we need. We definitely need someone to take the pressure off what is going on. As I talked about in my previous video, over $100 billion has been withdrawn from small banks out there. Small banks are still having a crisis out there. There's still a lot of people withdrawing all of their assets and moving into bigger banks out there. We're still seeing that the Fed's going to backstop this. We're still seeing, I call this quantitative easing out there. We're still seeing that the Fed is going to be printing $1 trillion, and and this is the largest amount of money that's been printed in history. We're seeing so much money being printed. It's just a matter of time before we see that the dollar just, in my opinion, I think the U.S. dollar is going to collapse. And I talked about BRICS yesterday, that China, Saudi Arabia, India, and Brazil and other small countries are going to be forming this whole BRICS out there. And they just look. They said, look, U.S. dollar being the reserve currency, they just don't want it anymore. They just don't want it anymore. Guys, smash the likes. I appreciate it. Let's take a look at what's going on with the total market. Cap right now. So right now, at time of recording, we're still seeing ourselves at 1.16 trillion. So that's still lovely jubbly. We're seeing a lot more green this year. I mean, you guys remember, if we went back to last year, last year was just nasty. Take a look, guys. Last year was just awful out there. I mean, if you guys absolutely survived last year, 2022, and you're still in the game, props to you. Much love, because you guys are the unsung heroes out there. Absolutely the unsung heroes. And you guys have survived one of the worst economic years ever, guys. What's happening this week, guys? Let's see. March 28th, we've got nothing too big happening. We got U.S. consumer confidence 10 a.m. on Monday. We've got home sales on March 29th. Thursday, we've got GDP second revision. We got initial jobless claims. We got PCE, core PCE is coming. This is a big one on Friday. This is a big one, guys. So this is going to be important. This is going to tell the tale on how we're doing in terms of consumer confidence, in terms of how we're doing in terms of inflation. So this is a big one. Absolutely a big one out there. Bitcoin right now is up almost 1%. We're seeing Ethereum is up, or BNB is up. So that is pretty good out there, guys. Smash the freaking likes out there. XRP has come back. Some people saying that XRP could go up to 50 cents. Remember, I did tell you not to sleep on XRP around about 2 or 3 weeks ago, as there was more signals coming that the U.S. was going to, basically XRP was going to win their case with Gary, because Gary's, been sending love letters left, right, and center. That's all about. Cardano is down a lot right now. Polymatic is also up, and Doge is down right now. Doge is sitting at 0.7379. We're going to be talking about that. What is going on for that out there? Shiba Inu right now is also just kind of also flatlining, and we're seeing a lot of accumulation, a lot of range boundness out there. So I wouldn't worry about it. Fear and greed is kind of interesting, guys. Basically, right now, fear and greed is at 64. Yesterday was at 64, so we're unchanged, unmoved out there, moved out there. And guys, how do you feel? Bob Johnson in the house. Much love to you, brother. And we got the like button. 2023 is the year of the Doge. Absolutely, we're going to see 2023 is the year of the freaking Doge. And if you love the Dogecoin like I love you all, I love you out there. I love you, Streghart. I love you, Bob. I love you, John. I love you, Billy out there. Danny Diaz. Danny Diaz, he only has one comment, and you know what that is? It's our friend, the Donster out there. He's coming back with a vengeance, and he's going to right the wrongs out there. So, guys, much love. Smash Dogecoin 111. What are you waiting for? We need it. You need it. How long we got till next halving, guys? Let me give this a minty refresh. Pow! Dogecoin 111. Pooh! 375 days, 6 hours, 16 minutes, 51 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. And that is going to be when we're going to have the next halving. And, something interesting, like I said, this is Dogecoin and Shiba Inu latest news. The bull run has just started. I'm going to be showing you why I believe that in a minute, guys. So buckle up, strap on. Because get ready for the moon ride, because we're going up to the moon. I love you too, Bob Johnson in the house, guys. Shane Smith, much love to my mods out there. Big shout out to all the moderators out there. Thank you for keeping the channel clean and everything lovely jubbly out there. What's going on? So we're seeing the DXY is 103. But I believe we're going to see one of the biggest collapses of the U.S. dollar in history coming soon, guys. Coming soony, woony. We're seeing that, S&P is looking good. Gold, for all the gold bugs out there. Gold is coming down a little bit right now, but we could see gold going up, guys, as we get more banking contagion out there. So this is the big freaking story out here. We're seeing that Dogecoin, everybody, OG's got Dogecoin, everybody, Dogecoin, everybody out there. We're seeing Grizzly's asking when the Bitcoin what is Bitcoin halving? Well, Bitcoin halving is when the number of block rewards gets cut in half out there, and it means that there's less and less Bitcoin to be mined. So that's what it means. So getting back to the chart right now, this is the Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart. You can see that Bitcoin has just kind of been in this tight range between 27.5 and around about 27.5 and around about here, around about 28.3. So we've just kind of been range bound out there. Some people are saying that we could be forming inverse cup and handle pattern could be coming up from my perspective. So you can see here that Bitcoin is just accumulating. Most of the cryptocurrencies are also following this pattern. If you take a look at Bitcoin on the Predator indicator out there, your Predator indicator. So on the 4 hours, it's not looking good for the Predator indicator. But if we flip this up to the 12-hour time frame, we can see here, let me just make you refresh this, that we are seeing on the Predator indicator, it looks like we're going to be getting some chop, and it's indicating at 26.8345, and we're seeing that we could see a high zone here of around about 28.95. So overall, I'm still thinking that, Bitcoin is going to break out. Bitcoin is just coiling up. We've seen this huge bull flag. I've been talking about it for a couple of days now, and I think that we're just going to we're going to consolidate here for a while, and then we're going to make a move to the upside. I mean, I'm optimistic. I'm a very optimistic person. I'm not a pessimistic person, as you guys know. On the daily, if you take a look at the Predator chart, Predator indicator, Predator chart, we're looking pretty bullish out there. Bull flag, guys, and bull flags are often very bullish, and I still think that we could see $40,000 coming in. We're seeing some resistance, though. We're seeing some top side resistance around $29,000, guys. And if you take a look at what Ali is saying from Ali Charts, we are seeing that right now. The most significant support wall underneath Bitcoin lies between 27,107 and 27,907, and we're seeing about 1.45 million addresses in this zone, guys. And that is about 700,000 Bitcoin have been bought, guys. So this is our support zone right here. This is support zone, and like I said, our next big resistance is around about here, guys. So we've got lots to cover, but it's still looking pretty good out there. Also coming in, looks like Bitcoin weekly candle closed with Doge just above the main resistance level at 29K is absolutely expected, and to have some degree of chop. So we're seeing, if you take a look at Bitcoin on the weekly right now, we're seeing this Doge candle just under the resistance. So 29,000 is the next huge resistance level that we need to get past, guys. Smash the freaking likes out there. We only got 115 people watching. What are you doing? Share this content with your friends. Copy and paste the video and put it in your social. Tweet it out. And guys, don't forget super chats and super likes, super everything out there. It's a great time to be alive. Let's take a look at what's going on with Ethereum. Then we're going to get into some news. Ethereum right now is at 1766, and once again, we're just very much accumulating in this range, ladies and gentlemen, out there. That's going on. So I wouldn't panic. I mean, if suddenly we have Ethereum dumping down, panic. But right now we're accumulating. So things are looking pretty positive out there from my perspective. Out there, guys, just to review, since March 2022, this is what we have seen. We've seen the largest pandemic in over 100 years, over 4 trillion printed, over 4 trillion it's been printed, guys. The most amount of US dollars have been printed in a single moment since 2023. Interest rates lowered to 0% overnight. Then we saw interest rates rising at a faster pace in history. Inflation is its highest in 40 years. Closer we've ever been to WW3 out there. The whole Putin the madman and the Ukraine thing that's happening, guys. Yeah. So oil prices go from negative to plus $100. Largest crypto bear market in history. OMG. Could you guys write the bear market? And a record high credit card debt. Most unaffordable housing in history. Second and third largest bank collapses in history. SVB, guys. SB freaking B out there. So we're seeing that, if you start investing 2023 and you have seen more historic events than most people have seen in 20 years. So, since 2022 to 2020 to now, we've seen more historic events when it comes to finances and just in general for the macroeconomic environment than we have in history. So it's been really a bizarre time. But Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, latest news, the bull run has just started. Here's more evidence out there the bull run has started, is that Bitcoin just hit a new record hash rate, guys. And as Bitcoin's hash rate goes up, when it goes up, this is one thing. It tells us that the network is healthy, and often the hash rate often precedes the price explosion, guys. So that is interesting. That is cool beans out there. So it looks like Bitcoin is 1 week away from confirming a new bull market, guys. And this is cool, guys. And we're seeing this whole pattern forming here. And that, if Bitcoin can break above this line here, we are going to see Bitcoin confirm a huge bull run to the upside, guys. And that is amazing. That is actually lovely jubbly out there, guys. Smash the like. Isaac in the house, guys. Isaac in the house, guys. Don't forget to give some super love. Super chats will be appreciated. Who is going to be the next king of the stream? Who is going to be the next king of the stream out there, guys? Do you have the moxie? Do you have the cojones out there to show some love out there? Metrics, all metrics are turning bullish after a long bear market. So we can see here that, we had the peak and the cross here. And every time we have the cross, this is indicative of a bull market, guys. So Dogecoin, Shiba Inu news, the bull run has just started, guys. A lot of data, a lot of indices, a lot of TA is saying that the bull run is about to start. And this bull run is actually come early. It's actually come early. And one of the reasons it's come early out there is because of all of the banking collapse, because people are panicking. They don't know what to do with their money. They're either buying gold or moving it into crypto, guys, because they know that basically fiat is like monopoly money out there. So it's bullish, guys. It's so bullish, guys. Here we go again. For the first time in almost 4 years, Bitcoin is closing the whole weekly candle above the Ichimoku cloud. So for the first time in almost 4 years, we're seeing a huge bullish indicator that Bitcoin is above the Ichimoku cloud, guys. This is amazing, guys. In the entire history of BTC, it has broken out to the upside every time after that, guys. So this is bearish, guys. More evidence out there. Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, latest news. The bull run has just started. Question mark, guys. And, I'm showing you evidence out there that the bull run is here. The bull run is coming. And it's not just me. We've got a whole bunch of TA analysts, a whole bunch of chartists out there who are showing us that things are turning positive. Even though it doesn't feel like it right now. We got some choppity chop. But we are seeing that all of the crypto markets are consolidating in a very, very tight range. And I believe out there that we are going to pop the upside, guys. So I still think this is a good time to dollar cost average, hodl like a madman, and accumulate and wait for life-changing wealth, guys. And if you believe that, smash the likes for the channel, smash the likes, and tell the algorithm that you are a human being out there. So Shiba Inu price analysis guide for the coming weeks with entry and stop loss. So, here's the key points, guys. Potentially break down below a 10.03. So right now, let's just jump into the price of Shiba Weeby right now. So right now, Shiba Weeby is at 10.45. It's just going sideways. It's consolidating. Basically, they had the Shibarium puppy net has been relaunched with a new chain name because people were going nuts. Remember, had the flood because people said, "Oh, we're reusing the same chain name as before," and people were like, "I'm crying up a river." So they changed that. But since they changed that, nothing's really happening for Shiba Inu right now. We got the Shibarium betas happening. So once again, accumulation, and consolidation in preparation for the huge breakout to the upside, guys. So a potential bearish crossover between 50 and 100-day moving average encourages Shiba Inu could go down. So some people are saying that we got with this 50 and 100-day EMA, aka a death cross out there, we could be seeing that Shiba Inu could break down. We might be able to see that. We absolutely might be able to see that. But when it comes to Shiba Inu, I think I am bullish in the long term. In the shorter time frame, we're just going to have consolidation out there. I'm not too worried. I'm not too concerned, guys and gals. And if you have your crypto on a centralized exchange, I'm telling you right now, I'm telling you Shane Smith, I'm telling you Simon, I'm telling you CV out there, I'm telling you Jorg out there, I'm telling you Isaac out there, I'm telling you 100K Records 100K, I'm telling you all out there, and James Lindsay out there, I'm telling you all, get a hardware wallet, sleep better at night. If you don't own the keys, you do not own the crypto. And if you have your crypto on a centralized exchange, they only have an IOU for you. And remember, with the Now Ledger, you can swap crypto. You can take Doge, change it to Bitcoin, Bitcoin back to Doge, and so other stuff. So it's amazing, guys. Absolutely amazing out there. Guys, what are we seeing in terms of the wreckage out there for the leverage apes right now? Wreckage is light, 47 million. 47.63 million, so the apes have stopped aping out there. 24 hours, we're seeing shorts. That is pretty good. We're going to be seeing a short squeeze coming in. So that could see the price of Bitcoin going up. And as you know, that Bitcoin is the leader of the pack. When Bitcoin goes up, the altcoins follow. When Bitcoin goes down, the altcoins follow. When Bitcoin goes sideways, the altcoins go sideways. And that is what we're seeing. We're seeing that the destiny of the altcoins is being led by Bitcoin. And Bitcoin is just consolidating. It's going sideways. It's going sideways. And we will have a huge breakout. And I told you, Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, latest news, the bull run just started, guys. And I've shown you evidence, bullish evidence out there that this is happening, this will happen, and it's just a matter of time. And guys, if you're not getting notifications and you want to be part of the conversation, go down and join the Discord. It is freaking free out there. We got 14 people in the Discord, guys. Let's ask, who is watching the live stream right now? Let's find out. Hopefully somebody's watching the live stream. But you guys go down there. It's a good forum. We got people chatting, sharing ideas. And the link is down below. Guys, are you loving this content? If you're aviation curious, if you love this content, hit Dogecoin 111. Dogecoin freaking 111. I need to hear it. I need to see it. I need to feel it. Mike Anderson in the house, guys. Mike Anderson in the house. Much love out there, guys. What else is coming in right now, guys? Don't forget, we got the Dogecoin t-shirt. Go check out the link, guys. What's going on for Dogecoin right now? Dogecoin, it's inevitable. Dogecoin will be going to the moon. And don't forget, we got this CBDC, US CBDC that could be coming out sometime after summer. And remember, with the CBDC, the man can track you. The man knows what you're buying. The man knows where you are, because it's going to be on your mobile phone. It's going to be on your phone, guys, and they're going to track you. But, I think it's inevitable that the Dogecoin could be the freaking alternative out there to financial freedom, because people are not going to want to be tracked by the man with the CBDC. And I think Dogecoin could be that currency that everybody needs, everybody loves, guys. So, guys, don't forget to go back and watch all of my videos, guys. And remember, Dogecoin, send and receive money as fast in seconds. Dogecoin is cheap. Dogecoin is beautiful. Dogecoin needs you, guys. So don't sleep on the Doge, guys. It's a matter of time. And remember, right now, we're seeing that fiat is the same as monopoly money. It's the same. It's absolutely the same as monopoly money. And the only thing, Bitcoin and Dogecoin is the only thing worth holding, guys. It's absolutely the only thing worth holding, in my opinion, not financial advice. So right now, for the price of Dogecoin is also just going in a very, very, very tight accumulation phase out there. It's at 0.736. And, we have some resistance. The purple blue line. What are you talking about, Daryl? You're colorblind? The blue line out there is our resistance level out there. The OG's colorblind now. Colorblind. I'm not feeling too good today. I got a little bit of I feel like I got the flu coming on a little bit here in Bangkok out there. Bangkok is going in and out from cold buildings. into hot environments, back and forth, back and forth. So I think I got a little bit of the sniffles, got a little bit of the floozy woozy coming on out there, guys. You know what I mean. You know what I mean, guys. So right now, I'm not too concerned about Doge. And if you take a look at Dogecoin is almost like a stable coin out there. It's just like going, it's really not changing, guys. And it's really like range bound between like 0.72 and 0.75 out there. So I'm not worried. We're seeing the volumes of light. It's Sunday, guys. It's Sunday night. People are taking care of their families and watching the crypto doc, in the house, guys. Let's get it, guys. And the market cap is also at 9.799 trillion out there. Let's take a look at the social sentiment for Doge right now. So right now, the social mentions are down 5.7%. That's not a good. Alex, you brother, welcome to the stream. Much love out there, brother. Much love to all the members out there. All the members. So we're seeing that the social mentions are down, social engagements are up, guys. So it looks like all the influencers are not posting. I'm posting about the Doge. I'm doging it up, guys. I'm doging it up. Are you doging it up? We're seeing that social mentions on the weekly are down, hideously down 51%. And this is, remember, if we want Dogecoin to go to the freaking moon, we need you to engage, guys. You to absolutely engage out there. That's what we need. We need you. So who's in the money for the Doge? Who's out of the money? Oh, this is SHIB. Let me get to the Doge. Well, SHIB 29% are in and 67% are out. Let's go to the Doge, guys. Let's take a look at the Doge. Technical difficulties. Where's my Doge? My Doge. Out there. So we're seeing 54% are in the money versus 29% for the Shiba Inu. So, guys, if you've been holding Doge for more than a year, and we're seeing the number of holders that have been holding Doge for more than a year is 75%, versus 1 to 12 months is 21%. So you can see that a lot of the Dogecoin holders are long-term holders. They're hodling. They love the Doge, and they're not giving up on the Doge. I'm not giving up on the Doge, guys. Do not panic. Do not give up on the Doge. Absolutely do not do that, guys. Absolutely don't do that. And, things are looking pretty good. So this is going to bring our Q&A session, guys. The Q&A session out there, guys. So don't forget, become members. And if you want to know where to become a member, you just go to the YouTube main channel page, hit the membership out there, bang, and you'll get it, guys, and you'll become a member. Guys, so let's see. Any questions out there? Support the Doge. Alex is saying support the Doge, and it will support you. Absolutely out there, guys. Show some love, show some support for the Doge, guys. We love the Doge. The like button is when it finally spikes. I think Dogecoin is going to spike. I think this summer we're going to see things lift off. We're still seeing crypto pretty good out there. So I'm not too worried about it. I'm not too worried. I mean, I'm an optimist. I'm an optimist out there. I'm optimistic. You should be optimistic too. What else are we seeing? What else are we seeing out there? Streg Hart, much love, brother. Pow, Dogecoin 101. Guys, if there's no questions from my community, we're going to end this. We're going to end. Silver Platter in the house. OG is in the house. I appreciate it. Silver Platter in the house. Much love to you out there. Much love to you out there, brother and sisters. We need you. I love you guys so much. Guys, so I'm going to end this streamy weemy here. I'm going to end it. Unless there's any questions out there. Slamma, lama, ding dong. Let's get it going, guys. Don't forget to go back and watch all my other videos. I would appreciate it, guys. So I'm going to end this live stream right freaking now. I love you guys. What have I got planned today? I think going out with the wifey. We're going to go around. We're going to have some lunch, that kind of stuff. Let's see. Alda here, Muga says we're going down before we go up. Time to short big. Yeah, I don't leverage trade. I don't recommend anyone to do that. You do you out there. Eduardo, bull run we wish. Yeah, it's coming, guys. It's coming. The bull run is coming. Look, Eduardo. Come on, man. Don't be a Debbie Downer. Look, Bitcoin monthly returns in 2023 were up 68%. Compare that to what happened in 2022. It's looking pretty positive to me. Darren, have a great night. I appreciate it. Of course, Alex, shopping. What wife doesn't like to shop, right? You know what I mean? The husband pays, but the wife spends, right? Husband pays, wife spends. Husband pays, wife spends. You know what that's all about. Guys and gals. So I'm going to end this live stream here. Much love to all of you. I'll see you in the freaking next one. Don't forget to go down there. Smash the likes. share this content, subscribe, and comment like a madman. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.